my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute egg dimple. You will need a hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, cardboard, markers, tape, and paper. So, first thing you want to do is draw your egg shape. Now cut it out. Now, trace your cardboard on a piece of paper. Then what you want to do is fold your piece of paper in half so you cut out 2 of them. Now what you want to do is make sure they fit. Then glue them to the cardboard. Now cut a circle. Mine got messy, so I'm going to do another layer of paper on top, but you don't have to do that. Now I'm going to cover the whole thing in tape, but this is completely optional. This is just going to make it stronger. It's easier to cut the tape in slits so it can fold that shape. Okay, now let's make the dimple part. What you're going to want to do is draw a circle and color it in yellow as the yolk. And color it both sides. This is to make it stronger, so cover it in tape on both sides. Now cut a slit like this, not all the way. Then fold it over like this. So take one side and fold it over like that. Then tape that. You might have to turn it over and tape the other side. Okay, now tape it onto your thing. Now you have a dimple. If you want, you can draw a face because it looks really cute. So there's my homemade simple dimple. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe.